Hey, how's it going, my friends? This is Mr. Noble, and I want to talk to you a little bit about some of the instruments that I use. Now, this one is one of the instruments that I like using to make some rhythm. I use these to create rhythm. And so these, what do you say? Shaker. These are little shakers. They look like little eggs. But when you shake them, they make a shaking sound. I can do a lot of things with my shakers. I can shake really quietly. It's really quiet. Or I can shake a little bit louder. Shake a little bit louder. I can shake really slowly. Slow motion shake. Or I can go really fast. Shake, 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 shake. One thing I can also do is I can sing with my shakers. So I'm going to sing a quick little song about shaking. Here we go. I'm shaking, I'm shaking, I'm shaking, shaking, shaking. I'm shaking, I'm shaking, I'm shaking. Now I stop. Can we do that together? Maybe if you don't have an instrument, you can clap while I shake. You can just clap your hands. You always have an instrument, or you can stomp your feet, or you can just make some noise. Whatever kind of sound you can make, you can do it with me. And then when we say stop, you just stop making noise. Okay, you ready? All right, here we go. Here we go. I'm shaking, I'm shaking, I'm shaking, shaking, shaking. I'm shaking, I'm shaking, I'm shaking. Now I stop. Now I stop. Very nice. Were you able to stop with me? Sometimes it's hard to stop. Sometimes when we're shaking, we have to also be listening so we know when the music stops too. If we're shaking too loud or we're making too much noise, we can't hear when the music stops. So maybe we practice shaking, but we're still listening to see when the music stops. I'm shaking, I'm shaking, I'm shaking, shaking, shaking. I'm shaking, I'm shaking, I'm shaking. Now I stop. Very nice. Were you making those sounds with me? Very, very lovely job. Now, I can do the same thing with my hands. I'm clapping, I'm clapping, I'm clapping, clapping, clapping. I'm clapping, I'm clapping, I'm clapping. Now I stop. I also have other types of instruments here. I have a drum. I'm playing the drum with my hands. With my hands. I can play it with two hands, or I can play it with one hand. I can play it with one finger. That's just one finger. Can I try it with two fingers? Two fingers. Two fingers. Two. Can I do it with three fingers? Three fingers. Three fingers. I'm drumming with three fingers. Can I do it with four fingers? Four. I'm drumming with four fingers. Can I do it with five fingers? Five fingers or one hand. Hey, I'm drumming. I'm drumming. I'm drumming. Now I stop. Very nice. Now I'm using a bunch of my fingers to make different sounds. It sounds kind of like popcorn popping. Going a little bit faster, and I stop. Another thing we can do, one thing we do to keep rhythm, is we can count with our instruments, but we're not going to count to a high number. Maybe we'll just count to the number 4 at first. And then when we get to number 4, we just do it all over again, and we repeat it. And because we're repeating the number 4 over and over, we call that a rhythm. A rhythm is like a pattern that keeps repeating and repeating in music that creates a beat. And then once you have a beat, you can sing over it. So let's do a little bit of counting. So I'm going to go 1. You can hit the instrument and say 1. And again, if you don't have a drum, you can just clap. It's the same thing. It's just rhythm. 1. I clapped 1 time. Now, can I clap 2 times? 1, 2. Well, I can do that on the drum too. 1, 2. I clapped 2 times. So that was 2 claps. They're also like musical notes. This note just sounds like a drum this time. The other one could sound like clapping or stomping your feet. Or you could go la la or ta ta. 1, 2, ta ta, la la. You make a sound. Now I'm going to make 3 sounds with the drum. 1, 2, 3. Can you count and play your instrument at the same time? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, how did that sound? Did that sound good? Can you make it sound really nice? Listen to it when you play. You also have to listen to yourself when you play. 1, 2, 3. Every time I hit the drum, I counted. Now can I go to 4? That's going to be the end of our rhythm, and then we start again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wow, so I just did 4 beats. And if I repeat those 4 beats again, I can have a little bit of a rhythm. If I just count to 4 and just do it over and over. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just created rhythm. I just created a rhythm. So if I do it 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if I want my rhythm to go faster, I can count faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And stop. Do you see I getting faster and faster? At some point, it's so fast that Mr. Noble, I can't even count that fast anymore. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See how fast you can go before you... Some of my friends try to count too fast, and then they don't even say numbers anymore. So if you go too fast, you might stop singing real numbers. But then you can also try going slowly. So I'm going to go fast, and then I'm going to get slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me getting really slow when I play the drum? But I'm still counting to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly counting to 4. Then I'm going to count a little bit quicker. I'm counting to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to stop counting. I'm still counting, but I'm not counting out loud. I'm counting in my head. I'm still counting. Can you count with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And every time I get to 1, I'm going to do it up front. See if you can see it now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm making a bigger sound on 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to sing. Every time you see me putting up front, you can hear in my head I'm counting the 1, 2. Now I'm going to sing a song and count. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. See how I'm counting? What if I wanted to go slower? The honker on the bus goes honk, honk, honk. The honker, the horn on the bus. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. I'm singing slowly. Beep, beep, beep. But what if I wanted to speed it up? The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. Yay! So I'm using my drum and I'm using my shakers today to create rhythm. The shaker in my hand goes shake, 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 shake. The shaker in my hand goes shake, 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 all through the town. The shaker in my hand goes shake, 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 shake. The shaker in my hand goes shake, 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 all through the town.